He's grown. His name's Darren.
Hey, Harps. You having fun, Toots? Hi, Toots. Tootie. Hi. Hi, cutie pie. What are you doing? Huh? You're a good girl, aren't you? Yeah. You playing? Yeah. Can you talk to Mama? Look at you. Wow. Do you want to tell me anything? You say, mama, 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 mama. Huh? Can you say, mama, 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 mama? Oh my goodness. Look at you go, huh? Yeah.